Today on Entertainment Circle, Chase Rice has his buzz back. Amber Hayes is in the house with her new single, Wait, Afro-Cuban All-Stars in Nashville. Do you have the X Factor? Simon Cowell is back. Welcome to Entertainment Circle. I'm Shayla Bass, and today we have an exciting show for you because we have Afro-Cuban All-Stars in Nashville. But first, we're gonna talk to Chase Rice, and he has his buzz back. Watch. Today with me is here Chase Rice. Chase Rice.
Thank you for having me.
How are you?
I'm doing great. It's been a long week at CRS, but I'm having a good time.
Oh, great. I'm glad you're having a good time.
Having a great time.
So, Buzz Back.
Buzz Back.
What's with that name, and what is the story behind the title?
Well, have you ever had a hangover?
Well, long time ago, when I was a kid.
Well, apparently I'm still a kid because I have them all the time now. No, it's my buddy Brian, who I wrote it with. Brian, Kelly, and Jesse Rice, who I wrote it with. Brian was down in Georgia at UGA, and this kid was looking rough the next morning. And a couple minutes later, he pops a beer open. Then a couple minutes after that, he says, well, I guess I got my buzz back. So Brian, he gets that idea and brings it to me and Jesse, and that's what it is. You get your buzz back. Wake up the next day, you're hungover, you're hurting, but hey, there's six-pack remedy. Get your buzz back.
Well, it's supposed to kind of like get rid of the hangover when you drink the next morning. So
yeah,
I guess he didn't want to get rid of it.
It's gonna give you a worse one the next day. No, we had fun with it writing that song. We wrote it just as a fun party song. Then in the studio produced it, and it came out really live, and it was really cool. It's a cool song. It's a fun party song.
Well, I can't wait to hear it.
Well, take a listen. It's we did the music video for it a couple weeks ago.
Great.
And it just released on YouTube today. So
I'll be watching today.
Today, check it out. It's on YouTube.
I'll be watching it.
So it'll be on CMT and GAC here in a week or so. So
that's great. Congrats.
Thank you. It's
So tell me about Country as Me.
Country as Me. Well, are you country?
Yeah, pretty much. I grew up in the country, yes.
Well,
I'm
good.
a country girl.
Well, it's a 6-song EP. Comes out on Tuesday, March 8th, and it's got a lot of stuff. It's got Buzz Back featuring that as the first single off the CD. It's got a bunch of stuff. It's got a soldier song. It's got a song about our dads. And it's just full of a lot of great stuff. And I don't know if we'll bring this up, I'm sure, but I did the TV show Survivor.
Oh, okay.
And I lost. I got second place. I lost one vote away from $1 million. So.
Man, why didn't you just beat him up and win?
I should have beat him up, shouldn't I? No, apparently you get kicked off the show if you fight. So but I ended up getting second. So.
You didn't get nothing for being second?
There's a little consolation prize. It's not $1 million though. But the last song on the EP is called Beats $1 Million, and it's just a little short run, no artwork or anything, but it's you have it before anyone else has it. So.
Okay, I got the exclusive. Great.
But Beats $1 Million is probably one of my favorite songs I've ever written. It's on there. It's the last song and talks about all the stuff that I have that beats $1 million any day of the week. So.
Okay, well I'll be listening.
Check it out.
I'll be watching you.
And please watch me. I'm just trying to make it.
No, you will be making it big.
I hope so I can buy a bunch of these little iPod watches.
Yeah, there you go.
So awesome. It's a little iPod with a watch.
Yeah, it's really cool.
That's awesome.
So tell me, why inspire you? What drives you to be in Survivor and into being this world music, country music?
Well, Survivor just kind of happened. I was working in Charlotte, working in NASCAR at Hendrick Motorsports. Their drivers are Jimmy Johnson, Jeff Gordon, Dale Earnhardt Jr., and Mark Martin. And I was working for them in the pit crew, and then the Survivor people called me up and did all the interview process and said, "Would you want to do it?"
So
I said,
they had
sure.
an eye on you.
They had an eye on me. They found me. I was trying to hide, but they found me. No, I was writing songs and stuff during that whole time.
Oh, okay.
And then and then I went to Nicaragua, did Survivor.
Really?
And came back and moved to Nashville and started doing music full time. And I love music. I've been doing it since my sophomore, junior year of college.
Okay.
And people were liking what I was doing, so I figured I might as well keep writing. And this new EP, I think people are really going to like.
Wonderful, wonderful. Did you learn any Spanish while you were down in Nicaragua?
No Spanish at all. I'm very bad. Don't even ask me to try.
How long were you down there?
I was there for 46 days. But I was with, all the other contestants from the show, so we didn't really get a chance to,
To talk to anybody in Spanish?
We couldn't be around the locals very much because I was fortunate enough to make it all the way to the end, so I didn't get to hang out in Nicaragua and just have fun. But
that's great. So, what is in the next, let's say, 6 months for you, besides the CD and all the excitement you got going on?
Well, we're really going to push the single Buzz Back, and then the whole EP. We're trying to get it to as many people as we can, and I'm actually about to go out on the road with Brian and Tyler from the Florida Georgia Line, a guy named Brian Davis, who's a great songwriter here in town, and a great artist, and a guy named Jesse Rice, who I write with all the time.
Great.
We're going to go out North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, Georgia, just tour and get the music out there, and hopefully in 6 months we'll have a name for ourselves around here.
Well, look him up everywhere around the country. You'll see him.
Check it out. Buy the new single. Buy the EP, please.
So, what is your website?
ChaseRice.com. Then Facebook is facebook.com/
Do you tweet?
Chase Rice Music, and then Twitter is Chase Rice Music also. I love Twitter, except
You
for.
do? Yeah, you are Tom. How you say? Crazy?
Am I Twitter crazy?
Yeah, Tom.
Oh.
Crazy. Everybody's
Crazy
like.
Thumb? I learned how to type really fast on mine. I got a Droid Incredible. I don't have the iPhone yet. I'm under contract with Verizon. So
Okay.
get that iPhone.
You can get rid of the contract.
Can't do that.
So, any plans to go back to television?
Nah, unless it's with a music video for my songs. But no, I'm not. I'm done with TV. I had fun while I did it, but I'm moving on to music. And
Okay.
I'm loving music. That's my passion. So that's what I'm sticking with.
Okay. Well, good luck with everything, and thank you for being here with us.
Thank you for having me. I had a great time.
Great. Don't go anywhere. We continue with more right here on Entertainment Circle.
Came way too fast, my head's pounding like a dynamite blast. Tried to sleep in on Saturday, this hangover sure having its way. But good thing the dogs are playing UT on the TV, cause that's reason enough for me to get a six-pack of remedy. I got my buzz back, now I'm feeling alright. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down tonight, cause I'm the pilot of this party flight, and I'm calling my buddies. It's going down, bringing last night's good time back around with a couple of beers and my good friend Jack. I got my buzz back, I got my buzz back, yeah. 7 digits sitting in my phone. I thought of her, won't leave me alone. There was making out and making plans, and maybe tonight we can do it again, yeah. Got the nerve to call her up and said it's me. Hey cutie, how about a bottle of wine and a movie, and you cuddling up close to me. We got that buzz back and we're feeling alright. Ain't nothing gonna hold us down tonight. Baby, come on over, let love take flight. I'm picking you up and it's going down. We're bringing last night's good time back around with some Chardonnay and a sweet soundtrack. We got that buzz back, we got that buzz back. Get your buzz back. I got my buzz back, I got my buzz back. Got my buzz back and I'm feeling alright. Ain't nothing gonna hold me down tonight, cause I'm the